Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Nick Ramirez, licensed insurance agent in the state of California. Welcome to the Insurance Rundown. I think let's start with home insurance in California. Okay. Let's start there. Yeah, I mean, look, at the end of the day, home insurance right now in 2021, that's the year that we're in right now, is getting expensive. Everyone has had their rates increase. And so it's really important to make sure that you're shopping your insurance. You hit me up and you're like, hey Nick, I just opened escrow on a home and I need to get home insurance. What is it, right? The first 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 minutes of that call, I'm actually gonna talk no insurance. I just wanna know who you are. Because I'm a people person, I've worked in hospitality my whole life, and insurance is really boring and dull. But once we get through that part, really looking about the home itself, where is it located, how big is it? Because newsflash, what you buy the home for has nothing to do with the insurance value. And I talk about this a lot in my audio podcast, link in bio. The price of the home that you're buying has nothing to do with the insurance value. It has to do with, heaven forbid your home were to burn down, how much would it cost to rebuild, right? And the rebuild value is never the same as the market, what's called the market value, or what you buy and sell the home for. And home insurance always covers the following standard homeowners insurance, which is fire, wind, hail, lightning, smoke damage, the weight of freezing ice, aircrafts, explosions, water damage, theft, and liability. I think I covered most all of that. The 2 things that it doesn't cover, we live in California, what do you think it is? Earthquake, and then also flood insurance, right? Flood. The number 1 claim in California for homeowners is not fire or theft, it's water damage, right? It could be a toilet overflowing, a pipe were to break inside of your home, and your homeowner's policy covers the damage from those events. The easiest thing you can do to make the process go by as fast and as easy for at least for me to shop around for your insurance policy is get me a copy of your declaration page for your auto insurance, which is bizarre. You're like, what, we're talking about homeowners? And you hear it all the time because it's true. Bundling, adding home and auto discounts. So the name of the game for insurance is how many discounts can you stack on top of each other? Home and auto are the largest single discounts that you can group into each other. Most of the time, that's the best way to do it. Every now and then you may live in an area where the auto insurance isn't competitive and it's okay to split them apart. But for the most part, we always, and you hear it because it's true, bundling is the easiest way to do it. So another thing that you can do to help your insurance agent is if you had a recent inspection report, right? Because a lot of the times we're gonna ask you is, do you have any idea when the roof was replaced? Do you have any idea when the plumbing or the electrical were updated or replaced? So if you can find that information out, that helps us, because at the end of the day, if there's a problem, we want to make sure that we're writing the accurate info to what is actually on the home. And at the end of the day, insurance carriers are increasing the rate significantly kind of year over year. It happens, so keep an eye on it and make sure to shop your insurance policy at least once every 3 years. That's kind of a good rule of thumb to do.